Hello everyone and welcome back to Coracle's YouTube channel. Is someone else transferring funds to your blocked account? If yes, then this video is for you. If someone else is transferring funds to your blocked account, you have to upload few documents for ID verification. So let's see how to do that. First, log into your dashboard. Once logged in, you will see a blocked account section on the left side of the column. Go there. Click there. Once clicked, scroll down and you will see a section is someone else sending money to your blocked account? Here you have to upload payer's document. Click on upload payer document. Once clicked, you will see a form to fill out on right side section. Let's fill out this form. The document which you have to upload can be a national ID or passport. Once filled this form, click submit. Payer's details updated successfully. Our team will verify the details as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. For more such videos, follow Coracle's YouTube channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.